Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Dear devotees, today let us know about the significance of Salokya Mukti. Here, Mukti means salvation, liberation from vicious circle of birth and death. Salokya means the fact of being the same world in which the emancipated person will be in the world of the deity. He or she worshipped while being in the world. This is called Salokya Mukti. According to our Shastras, there are 4 kinds of salvations. They are Salokya, Samipya, Sarupya and Sayujya Mukti. All these 4 salvations comes under Sagunopasana Mukti. Saguna attainment. All these 4, what are they? They are Salokya, Samipya, Sarupya and Sayujya. All these 4 salvations comes under Saguna attainment, Sagunopasana Mukti. First one is Salokya. Bhagavan Sri Krishna says, Abrahma bhuvanan lokaha punaravartinorjuna mamupetyatu kaunteya punarjanmana vidyate. Here Bhagavan says about the greatness of higher lokas, the greatness of Salokya Mukti. Here Bhagavan says, Abrahma bhuvanan lokaha punaravartinorjuna. O Arjuna, all the worlds, including the kingdom of Chaturmukha Brahma. He says, Abrahma bhuvanan lokaha punaravartinorjuna. O Arjuna, all the worlds, including the kingdom of Chaturmukha Brahma, are subject to return. But attaining me, he says what? Krishna says, Mamupetyatu kaunteya punarjanma navidyate. Here Bhagavan says, all the words, including the kingdom of Chaturmukha Brahma, are subject to return. But after attaining me, He says, after attaining me, there is no rebirth. What it means? Here, Krishna says about the greatness of higher lokas. See, in this Brahmanda, there are many lokas which are limited by time, like Pitraloka, Vayuloka, Varudaloka, Agniloka, Suryaloka, etc. By doing only punya karmas in this world, we can attain these lokas easily. But after our punya get exhaust, we have to come back. So Krishna says, there is no much use from these lokas, because these lokas are prakrita lokas. They are subjected to time and space. On the other hand, there are very few lokas, very few lokas which are not limited by time. We call it as aprakrita lokas, like Vaikuntha, Kailasa, Manidvipa, etc. After attaining these lokas, there is no rebirth. That means entering to these lokas itself ensures salokya mukti. So, here Bhagavan says about the importance of the higher lokas and significance of the salokya mukti. Without any least discrimination, each and every human being can attain this salokya mukti by cultivating wholehearted pure devotion towards Bhagavan. So, this is the significance of the salokya mukti. For all of you, this is the hitopadesham for the day. Sarve janaha sukhino bhavantu. Narayana, Narayana, Narayana.